Hey everybody, so if you're playing this video, I have a feeling you're here to learn a little bit about subtracting with regrouping. So as long as you remember everything about the ones and the tens house and what's involved with that, it's actually a pretty easy process. So I'm going to show you a few problems that you can sort of watch me do and follow along. You can even go back and replay this if it kind of doesn't make sense the first time. So first I'm going to model it up here on my piece of paper with our place value blocks, and then I'm going to model it again just with numbers, okay? So here's our problem. We're going to start with 42 take away 25. Now remember, in subtraction problems, we're always starting with the larger number on the top. We're always taking away from the total or the whole. Remember our wholes and parts, right? So we're taking 25 away from 42. So I'm going to first show 42 in place value blocks, okay? So here's 4 tens. There's my 40, and there's my 2. I now have 42. Perfect. Okay, now I need to take away 25. Okay. Uh-oh. Now, if I want to take 5 ones away from here, I have a problem. There aren't 5 ones to take away, are there? There's only 2. Remember, this is the tens house, and this is the ones house. Now, what do you know about tens? What do you remember? What is inside of a 10? That's right, 10 ones. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this bundle of 10, and I'm going to move it over here. This is called regrouping. So I'm going to move a 10 from the 10 house, and I'm going to take it apart and make it 10 individual ones. So watch what I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show what I'm doing. I'm going to make this match my picture. So what I did is I took away 1 10. So if I have 4 tens and I take 1 10 away, I've got 3. So I'm going to make that a 3. And now instead of just 2 ones, how many ones do I have altogether? 10, 11, 12. I have 12 ones now because I took that 10 apart and made them ones again. So I'm going to cross this out and say, I don't have 2 ones. I have 12 ones. Now, we are in great shape because now we can subtract 5 ones. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out 5. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at this. 2 tens. I can take away 2 tens. So I'm going to go like this. 1, 2. Let's count up how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones are left. And look how many tens are left. Just 1. And you want to see something really cool? Watch this. 12 take away 5 is 7. 3 take away 2 is 1. My answer is 17. Whoa. Let's try it just with numbers, okay? So here's my new problem. 63 minus 37. Do you see how I'm making sure that my ones and my tens are lined up perfectly? Remember, that's really important. Okay, so remember, we're taking away from the total. The total is 63. The whole is 63. I want to take 7 ones away from 3 ones. Can I do that? 3? Can I take 7 out? No. I need to go borrow a 10 and bring it on over, okay? So if I take 1 10 away from here, what will I have left? So 6 take away 1. I only have 5 tens now. Now remember what I did. If I take 1 10 away, make it into 10 ones. So I have 10 ones and 3 ones. And 3 and 10 give me 13 ones. Ooh, let's see what I can do now. 13 take away 7. That's right, it's 6. And 5 take away 3. Your answer is 26. So this is how to regroup. The practice page is a great place to practice this skill. I suggest using pencil. So if you find yourself kind of running into like a roadblock and you want to erase and try again, you can. You can also ask your parents to make up problems on a different sheet of paper if you run out of room to practice. Remember that regrouping is just pulling a tens from the 10 house, breaking it back up and making them ones again so that you can subtract. If you learn this skill, then you can do this with 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers as well. Great job, learners. Way to push yourselves. Have fun with regrouping.